Listen up, we've done a ton of recipe videos over the last few months, and it's time that we have a little fun and we do viral TikTok testing once again. This will be the third round of it, and hopefully we find some bomb TikTok recipes for you in this video today. Listen, we got all kinds of stuff. We're doing watermelon spritz, McDonald's snack wraps, an Alfredo pasta, and a beautiful pesto pastry. So all you gotta do is watch. Let's go. All right, so let's get into the first recipe. I'm hyped. Okay, some watermelon. Oof. Man, you can't beat good watermelon. Scooping it. Partially, he's baking it? Oh no, he's freezing it. What's it? Okay. I mean, that looks refreshing. Seriously, I'm down for that. I don't know if it'll taste good. Let's find out. All right, let's get started with this watermelon. Almost dropped that, glad I didn't. All right, let's slice and dice. All right, so I don't have a big scooper. I got a little scooper. And you know what they say? Size doesn't matter, right? At least we hope. So anyway, we're gonna go in here. Let's try what this guy did. Scoop it out, let it drain. Parchment paper. All right, so here we got a bunch of future little ice cubes and we gotta put them in the freezer, but before that, let's get fancy. All right. Tastes like a beautiful summer. Hey, real quick, let's go over the star scale real quick, just so you know exactly how we're judging things. We start here with 5 stars. 5 stars, the ultimate more seasoning rating. It means it's amazing. It's something that you would find me making on my channel. Then we've got 4 stars. 4 stars, it's really good. I suggest you make it, but it could also be a little bit better. 3 stars, good, not great. If you wanna make it, cool, try to spice it up a little bit. 2 stars, don't make it, I do not recommend. And 1 star means gross, don't even try. Let's go. Bro, what are you doing? We gotta film, let's go. Bro, it's watermelon juice. You can't beat it. All right, so our watermelon is out of the freezer and frozen. So let's go ahead and pop. Ooh, you heard that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so we're gonna start with some regular water just because I don't want the flavor to be like masked up by any carbonation or anything, just to see if we get actual watermelon flavor going on. All right, I say we give it a shot. You ready? Mm-hmm. Let's do it. Wow, absolutely nothing. I taste no watermelon. I mean, maybe like a hint, like if somebody, you thought you heard somebody whisper watermelon in the other room, like, watermelon. You're like, huh? Yeah, just like the tiniest little like thought of watermelon comes with this. All right, maybe some bubbles will bring this thing alive. You know, pull some of that flavor out of there. Okay. That's better. I would say if you're gonna do this, definitely use like a sparkling water of some sort because I'm about to stand up. My knees hurt. I'm not built to be on my knees, man. That shit hurts. Yeah, no, I mean, that's pretty good. I really like that actually. It's subtle, it's a little bit sweet. Those bubbles definitely helped pull some of the flavor out. I got one more idea, hold on. Boy, what the? We gotta try with champagne. Ah! Oh! All right, we're gonna try it like this. TikTok did not tell me to do this, but we're gonna do it anyway. Get a little champagne in there, some real bubbles. All right, we got champagne and watermelon. Sounds like a sexcapade in Miami. Let's try it. That's pretty good. I'll be real, the watermelon in regular water, 0 stars. The watermelon in this bubbling water, give it a 4 star. The watermelon and champagne, I'll be honest, I don't know how much watermelon I can taste in this, but I'm gonna give it a 4 stars because I like it and it's cool, so why not? And you can eat them. All right, it's time for recipe number 2. Let's go.
Growing up, I never bought pasta sauce from the store because my mom taught me that homemade is healthier.
Okay, that's facts. Homemade is always better.
Alfredo pasta recipe.
Okay, 15 minutes.
Pasta and in a separate pan, combine water, garlic,
Some spices, some more seasoning.
flour as a thickener. Next, add in your milk and cheese
Okay,
of choice,
milk,
such
not
as
heavy
sweet
cream,
onions,
okay.
tomatoes,
Some
and
cheese,
Parmesan.
thicking
Finally,
that
add
up.
some
Pasta water.
sauce, add in your pasta, and you're
Okay.
done. It's so easy, and that's why.
Ooh, okay. I'm hyped for this one. Hopefully it's fire so you guys can make it. Let's try. All right, so it's time to cut up this garlic. It's only 3 cloves, and me personally, I'm like, it's 20 cloves or nothing. So let's see if we even taste it in the pasta. Cheese, please. We need 1/2 cup of mozzarella and 1/3 cup of parm. Kind of smells like feet. All right, and this is where I started to have issue with TikTok videos because she says in the butter you add everything, but never says how much butter. So I'm just gonna go 3/4 a stick in a pan. All right, that looks like it's too much. So I probably ended up using close to half a stick of butter. Woo! Thanks for measurements. All right, so we're putting our garlic in because that's what she said to do. And next we gotta put a spoon of basil and oregano. I never heard of that measurement, but we'll just do about a teaspoon and a teaspoon. All right, it's time for breaking news. We're in the middle of this recipe and it smells pretty hopeful. It smells damn good, so let's keep pushing. Bomb, let's bring that flour in. Thicken this bad boy up. That flour cookout. He needs some milk. That's a lot of damn milk. Sheesh. Let's get that a mix. Look at that, just like so separated. It looks like we got milk and lemon pepper seasoning. Shout out Rick Ross. I'm hoping at some point this comes together. Maybe when we add this cheese, we'll find out. To be continued. Oh man, I had such high hopes. It's just something I want to be able to make my fiance in 15 minutes, but it's looking like soup. Oh, I've been standing here whisking this for about 10 minutes trying to get this thing to come together. It looks nothing like hers. It's so loose. Look how loose it is. It's loose. It's just like, it's loose. I'm trying to save this pasta by putting some more cheese in here because right now, all we got is some damn lemon pepper soup, man. That's it. That's all we got. Ah! All right, I've been trying to make this work for like 10 or 15 minutes at this point, and I think we've reached our spot, so we're just putting pepper in at this point. Let's do some salt, mix it. 2-minute pasta, let's go. Put these nudes in a hot tub, hey! Break it up, whoa, whoa. All right, let's get a little bit of that pasta water, just like she did. Great, now it's even more liquidy. Love that. Right in. Give that a mix. Oh God. All right, man. Like, I mean, we just gotta try it. Let's be real. Let's just try it. Okay, so here we are. I'm not gonna lie, I had high hopes, and now they're not so high. I can see that the cheese has curdled. Yeah. Oh. Now I hate the pasta. All right, YOLO. We're just gonna go in for it. I've got my assessment. If you're following her recipe, it's a 2-star. However, this doesn't look like hers, and I think that if we had the correct recipe with the correct instructions, this could be a 3 or a 4 because the elements and the flavor are in there for a nice basic Alfredo sauce. It's too ambiguous. Even with me trying to like save the sauce, yeah, 2 stars. All right, so we made it past the first 2 TikTok recipes. Let's see if this third one's bringing the heat. I'm not into deceiving, but it looks good. Pesto.
A jar of pesto and Parmesan
Parm.
cheese and mozzarella cheese. You need that too.
Okay.
So you're gonna assemble it like how I did.
Easy,
and then
easy.
Ways like that. Just
A little
roll
jelly
as big
roll,
as you
okay.
can. Now place it on a parchment paper
Uh-huh.
lined baking sheet, and you're gonna bake it until they look like.
How long?
Seriously, look how cute these look.
I mean,
made these for
it looks
every
great.
single-
It looks great, like it really does, but how long are we baking for? At what temperature are we baking for? I have never made these before. So it says 375 on the oven for 9 to 12 minutes, so that is what we're gonna follow. I guess we peel this. I'm about to get Pillsbury a 2-star on this damn packaging. You slam it? All right. All right, so here we've got our dough. Yeah, we'll roll it out like that, nice and gentle. And now, pesto time. Hey, you know what they say, pesto is the besto. Great, just great. Get it? Ugh, did not f***ing think this through. Hopefully that's enough, I hope. And at least it's fresh, you know what I mean? You can't beat some fresh Parmesan. Now we only have to shred this, so let's hit it with some shredded mozzarella. We'll hit it with a roll. And number 3, and wham. All right, let's try to cut these up. Just go down like that. Boom. Ooh, this might be fire. I'm low-key hyped for this recipe. They smell bomb. Let's throw them in for like 10 minutes and we'll see what happens. Oh, wow. Okay. I mean, we probably gonna have to wait a minute to try these, but initial impression, Smells buttery. It smells cheesy and pesto-y. It almost smells like a margarita pizza. All right, so we let these cool down for about 5 minutes, and I think it's time that we take it for a test drive. Let's go. One more, just for good measure. I could eat this whole pan. These are fire. Wow, hear me out though. I feel like we can make them a little better with this. This is compound butter that I made with garlic and chives. You'll see how I make this in my Steak 101 video, which I'll throw in the cards right here. I feel like if we put a little bit of this garlic chive butter on one of these and torched it, it might take to the next level. Let's try. Chive butter in and a little torch to get it popping. Oh my God, that smells so good. Pesto with garlic, herbs, chives, cheese. Now that is next level. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, you know what I just realized? I have a compound butter that's got sun-dried tomatoes, basil, and garlic. I have to try it. I'm gonna be a right now. All right, so as you can see, me and Jamari have basically demolished these. This was a 4-star, hands down. If you wanna make it 5 stars, add some compound butter to it. Throw it on the top right before it's done. This was fast and incredibly easy. Good job. Oil me up, baby. It's time to go. It's chicken time. I am not playing games on the stove. We are deep frying. We are playing 0 games. Oh, it's leaking. 3 TikToks down, 1 to go, and this is the one I feel like I'm most excited for.
McDonald's chicken snack wraps were so good, and it really hurt when they took them off the menu. So today we're gonna make them at home and even better.
Okay.
First, cut your chicken breast into thin tenders. Then you'll make your dry batter
frying?
as well as your wet batter.
We're
and
frying.
Make sure to spice it really well. Now
More
to get ready
seasoning,
to
yes
steam
ma'am.
chicken, We're gonna add some of the wet batter into the dry
Yup.
to create that flaky texture.
Yup.
Then we'll double dip, wet, dry, then back into the wet and back into the dry.
Oh, she's making the ranch too.
While we make our ranch
Okay,
sauce.
we'll try
Then
it.
you'll heat your vegetable oil and fry the tenders until
Uh-huh.
they're nice and golden brown, just like this. Last step is to assemble with your
ooh.
tortillas, lettuce, shredded cheese, our tenders, and sauce.
Come
They
on.
taste just like the real deal.
Hey, if these taste like the McDonald's snack wraps, I'm gonna be so happy because I haven't had them in so long. Let's try it. All right, let's get started on the flour, and we're gonna do 1.5 cups. 1/4 cup cornstarch, teaspoon of baking powder. We're doing a teaspoon of smoked paprika. There's more flavor in that. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 2 teaspoons salt, some black pepper. Whiskey business time, let's go. All right, we're going in with 1 cup of the buttermilk. We got some salt, some black pepper, some paprika, some garlic powder. Time to whisk. Let's cut this chicken up, come on. Oh, you rolling? All right, anyway, we gotta cut these up into little strips just like she asked. So on to the cutting board. And if you're wondering why I'm not doing it on the wood, it's because I don't like chicken juice soaking in my wood. 1 strip right here. This is our station. Chicken, flour, buttermilk, flour, plate. And we're gonna do it in that order. Let's go. Because we want some crispy crisps. Toss that up. Snack wrap on the way. Buttermilk. We got 1 hand for the wet. Let that drip off. And flour. 1 hand for the dry. Perfect. Buttermilk. Drip, drip, drip. And flour. Give it a little shake. And that's our first piece, baby. Right there on the plate. And all we do is repeat. Just to be completely blunt with you guys, I have fried a lot of chicken in my day, and my expectations for this recipe are very high, so I'm excited. All right, so we got our fried chicken sitting, like she said, and now we're gonna make our ranch, so we're going in with 1 cup of mayo. I'm praying the ranch is as good as McDonald's, so 1/3 cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, I'll be honest, I have a ranch video that you can find on my channel on my simple seasoning series, and we definitely did not use yellow mustard, so I'm very curious how it's gonna turn out. Now we whisk. That's some yellow ass ranch. Just so you know, this ranch, if I save it, is going to be better tomorrow no matter what, because that dried garlic powder is gonna rehydrate the longer it sits in these liquids, and that means that that flavor is gonna develop longer. So I don't expect this to be amazing at first, but McDonald's ranch, I just washed my hands. It definitely does not taste like, it's not bad, but it definitely doesn't taste like ranch. We'll see how it is on some fried chicken though. All right, so we are outside right now. I got my deep fryer, and there's a reason why I use the deep fryer every time. I linked it below just so you know if you want it. It's like $100 something. But Your house doesn't smell like oil. It cleans itself. It's perfect. No mess, no anything. So we're gonna pull the top off. We get that oil set to about 375 because I know for a fact this chicken is gonna drop the temperature. So let's drop some in. 1, 2, that looks like a damn nugget. Let's drop them in. All right, it's been about 2.5 minutes. Let's check on them. Oh yeah, that is some beautiful fried chicken right there. All right, let's keep it going till it's about golden brown. All right, it's been about 5 minutes, and ladies and gentlemen, that is some beautifully, absolutely beautifully fried chicken. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. Come over here to our wire rack. And we just shake them puppies out so they drain, and then all we do is repeat. All right, it's tortilla time. If we're gonna take this snack wrap all the way, we gotta heat these up just a little bit, get them nice and pliable. So I've just got them in a hot pan right here for, 30 seconds on each side. I'm so excited, I'm not gonna talk. Let's just put them together. Chicken and cheddar. Oh, look at that, just blankets it. And then, ladies and gents, all we gotta do is finish off with some ranch. Our cheese is melted. Our lettuce is in there. We got ourselves, hopefully, a bomb 5-star snack wrap. Let's go. Ma'am, you did it. You did it. All right, let's talk star scale. This is a snack wrap recreation, and in my book, it is 5 stars. This is perfect to the T, exactly like it should taste, but even better than McDonald's because it's all fresh ingredients. Absolutely a 5-star recipe, more seasoning approved. Great job. Yo, listen, that was definitely a journey, and I definitely appreciate you guys for rolling along with me. Hey, and not only did you stick along this far, but you got 3 bomb recipes that you can try at home that I have verified that they are legit. The watermelon one was whatever, but it was easy and it was cute and cool or whatever, so we'll let that one pass. But the last 2, they were fire. Hey, if you made it this far, that means you like the content. Please scroll down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below and let me know which recipe you want to make. My favorite, it was the snack wrap from McDonald's. Y'all killed it. I appreciate y'all for watching. My name is Farnum, and we out.